Hello, I'm Solbert, I'm the computer voice of Seoul, Texas company. One of the new features of Firewall Cloud is the ability of control system services from the web console. To illustrate this functionality, we are going to install an OpenVPN server, create the PKI infrastructure, and manage the service lifecycle, all without leaving the web interface. First we go to the Plugins tab of the R Firewall and install the OpenVPN server. Now we go to VPN section. And create the certificate authorization that we will use to sign the certificates. We need a certificate for the server. We named it server. Once created, we drag it and drop it over the firewall. We need to specify the server network. VPN client connections will obtain an IP address from this network. Now we have our OpenVPN server ready. Let's see the status of the service. By now it is still not running. Let's create a VPN client. We need a client certificate. Then we drag and drop it over the new OpenVPN server. In the configuration we need to indicate the IP the OpenVPN server is listening to. We will use a public IP address so the VPN server can be accessed from remote places. We install the configuration we have created, first the server VPN configuration. And now the client VPN configuration. Let's get the service running. We check that it is already up. Stop it. With this type of service it makes no sense to reload the configuration. That's why it shows us this message. But let's remember we are just showing the Systemctl functionality FWCloud offers us, and this is the same for all services. In this specific case we could, if we wanted, to modify the server configuration. And reinstall it. Disable it so that it does not start with system startup. And enable it again. We can also perform all these actions from the security policy view. We try to delete the server configuration. We delete the VPN client. We delete it from the server. With this you are already deleting the server. And we can uninstall the package. Please stay tuned to learn more new features about FWCloud-UI.